Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to your science class. And today I am going to continue the chapter separation of substances. Yesterday I have explained you about the separation of solid into solid mixtures. When we have discussed about the methods by which we can separate a solid from a solid, there are many methods I have discussed yesterday, like hand picking, winnowing, threshing, magnetic separation, sublimation. All we have done yesterday. And today I am going to explain you about the separation of insoluble substances from liquid. Insoluble substances, insoluble solids from the liquids, those which are not dissolved in liquids. So the first method which I am going to explain you is the sedimentation and decantation process. The separation of sedimentation. What is sedimentation? The process of separation in which heavier particles of an insoluble solid settle down in a liquid. Like we have dissolved sand and water. We have mixed sand and water, so the sand will settle down. As it is heavy, it will settle down at the bottom of the container, and a clear liquid will be obtained at the top, right? So this method in which the heavier particles are settled down at the bottom of the container, that is known as sedimentation, right? So in sedimentation, the components that are settled down are called sediments. The components which are settled down at the bottom, like in the example I have explained, the sand and water are mixed. The sand will be settled down at the bottom. The sand will be the sediment. It will known as sediment. Another process, second process, it is linked to the sedimentation process, right? Sedimentation and decantation both are linked processes. So after sedimentation, once the heavier particles are settled down at the bottom, then what we will do, we will pour the clear liquid very carefully so that the sediments could not be disturbed. So the process in which the clear liquid at the top is poured out without disturbing the sediments is the decantation process. It is known as decantation process, right? So the decantation process is also done for two insoluble liquids, like when we mix oil and water, they are two insoluble liquids. In your earlier chapter you have studied about immiscible liquids. ऐसे liquids जो आपस में नहीं मिलते हैं, नहीं घुलते हैं, वो immiscible liquids कहलाते हैं. तो जब हम ऑयल और वाटर को मिलाते हैं तो वो कैसे होते हैं? इममिजिबल लिक्विड्स हो जाते हैं. तो इममिजिबल लिक्विड्स के मिक्सचर को भी सेपरेट करने के लिए हम ये प्रोसेस, डिकैंटेशन का प्रोसेस यूज़ करते हैं. सी आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ डायग्राम फॉर यू. Here we have mixed sand and water, and after some time what will happen, the clear water will be on the top and the sand will settle down at the bottom. This is sediment. The sand is known as sediment, and this is the sedimentation process. As we can see, there is a different layer of clear water. We can pour it very carefully to separate the clear water from the sediment. This is known as decantation. Both are the linked processes. Okay, now next is the next process is loading process, loading or coagulation. Next is the process loading or coagulation. Coagulation और loading process, ये प्रोसेस यूज़ करते हैं हम सेडिमेंटेशन की प्रोसेस को क्विक करने के लिए. इट इज़ द प्रोसेस विच स्पीड अप्स द सेडिमेंटेशन प्रोसेस. जो हम सेडिमेंटेशन प्रोसेस किए अभी समझाया मैंने आपको, उसी को स्पीड करने के लिए, उसी को इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए सेडिमेंटेशन प्रोसेस का यूज़ किया जाता है, जिसमें कि हम एक केमिकल का यूज़ करते हैं विच इज़ नोन एज एलम. एलम मॉलिक्यूल्स का यूज़ कर लेते हैं. एलम्स आर द केमिकल्स. वो क्या करते हैं, एलम मॉलिक्यूल्स स्टिक टू द डर्ट पार्टिकल्स. जो डर्ट पार्टिकल्स हैं, सैंड के पार्टिकल्स हैं, मड के पार्टिकल्स हैं, उसके साथ स्टिक कर जाता है और उसको हैवी बना देता है. दे स्टिक टू द डर्ट पार्टिकल्स एंड मेक इट हैवियर सो दैट दे कैन सेटल डाउन क्विकली एट द बॉटम ऑफ द कंटेनर. ठीक है, सेडिमेंटेशन प्रोसेस को ही इंक्रीज कर रहा है, स्पीड अप कर रहा है. कौन सा प्रोसेस? लोडिंग प्रोसेस. लोडिंग प्रोसेस क्या कर रहा है? हमारे सेडिमेंटेशन प्रोसेस को ही स्पीड अप कर रहा है. दिस मेथड इज लोडिंग प्रोसेस इन विच वी हैव एडेड अ केमिकल विच इज नोन एज एलम. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज filtration process. It is the last process of insoluble solids and liquid separation, filtration. As the name suggests, you people also have filters at your home. अपने घरों में भी आप लोगों के पास filters हैं. तो filtration process में क्या करते हैं हम, unwanted solid particles जो हमें नहीं चाहिए, which are harmful for us, we separate those unwanted solid particles from the liquid, means undesirable solids from the liquid, right? Like tea from the tea leaves from the tea we separate, right? And we use filter papers also for this. At our chemistry laboratory we use filter papers for this, and strainers are normally used at home for separating the tea leaves from the tea. This is the diagram I have prepared, as it is given in your book also. This diagram is also given in your book, in which I have prepared a filter paper. You can see it. We have taken a funnel here. We have wrapped the funnel with the filter paper, and then filtering the solution, filtering the mixture. Maybe it is of sand or water or any other thing which we need to clear. हम साफ़ करना चाहते हैं जिसको dirt particles के साथ है. और हमने जब इसको छाना, when the liquid has been passed from the filter paper, what happened? The clear solution of filter, clear solution has been entered into the bottom of the container, and the dirt particles are has been retained in the filter paper. क्या हुआ, हमने जब इसको डाला तो जो dirt particles हैं वो retained रह गए हमारे filter paper में, और filtrate clear जो साफ clear filtrate particles थे वो हमको मिल गए हमारे container में. So this is all about your separation method for insoluble into liquid, insoluble solids into liquid. In my next part of the video I will explain you the soluble particles, soluble solids into the liquid. Thank you for listening. Hope you have understood.